In the last chapter of the book of Mark, which is chapter 16, there's a portion of scriptures that are italicized as optional reading in the NIV. And it's where Jesus gives the commandment to go into all the world. And these signs shall follow them that believe. So those that go into all the world with the gospel of Christ, you will know them by the signs that follow them. They shall speak in new tongues. They shall take up serpents, and if they shall bite them, they shall not harm them. And if they drink any deadly thing, it shall not harm them. And they shall lay hands on the sick, and they shall recover. That's how you will know that those who go into all the world with the Great Commission, preaching the gospel, that's how you will know, is by the signs that follow them, that confirm their words. So far, we haven't seen that happen. I haven't seen it. I'm 76 years old. I've seen a lot of false lying signs and wonders, false flags, strange fire, but not the real. Except in one little place many years ago, in a little fellowship of people that everybody participated in sharing the word. Someone would have a psalm, another would have a revelation, another would have a tongue, speak in tongues, and another would interpret. All decently done in order, but alas, it didn't last too long. Everybody went their own way and dispersed. And the churches gobbled up all the little assemblies, promising them liberty as they tied them to their pews and gagged their mouths and had them listen forcibly and be subjected to a pastor who could not tell his left hand from his right. And when the enemy came in like a flood, he fled spiritually, but stayed there in the flesh, while demons devoured the congregation and fed them lies and hypocrisy and doctrines of devils. These are the churches now that we have. They are cages of unclean birds, and if you go in there and participate, you will receive of their plagues, and their sins shall be cast upon you.